Hello and welcome to the daily number workout for third grade. Today we're doing the number 24. So hopefully you've completed yours and you're just checking your work. Or if you did not complete, make sure you're filling in all of which you did not cover. So 24 in word form is TWENTY, 24. And because it ends with a 4, we know 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 are even numbers. And let's go into factors. So 1 times 24. We come over here, we do 1 times 24. But this is a strategy so that we can know when we're done. 2 goes in. 2 times 12 is 24. 2 times 12. 3 goes in. 3 times 8 is 24. 4 goes in. 4 times 6 is 24. And the only number in between 4 and 6 is 5. And 5 doesn't go in because this needs to be a 5 or a 0 in that place, so we know we're done. So by doing in this strategy, we just work our way till we can't use any more numbers. So wow, lots of factor pairs, lots you can do with the number 24. So let's move on. You're going to find that out when you get to 4th and 5th grade. Right now, we're just doing some addition with this. But 24 is very versatile. Let's move this up. 24 plus 1 equals 25. 24 plus 2 equals 26. 24 plus 3 equals 27. 24 plus 4 equals 28. 24 plus 5 equals 29. 24 plus 6 equals 30. 24 plus 7 equals 31. 24 plus 8 equals 32. 24 plus 9 equals 33. And 24 plus 10 equals 34. All right, let's move on to subtraction. Writing it out, saying it out loud, or saying it to yourself. So we're going to start with 34 up here. 34 minus 24 equals 10. 33 minus 24 equals 9. 32 minus 24 equals 8. 31 minus 24 equals 7. And I want you to start noticing, hopefully you're noticing some of these patterns, but 7 plus 4 is 11. So these all relate. When I see a 1 and a 4 and I'm subtracting, I know 7 has something to do with this here. So I'm always looking at how that works. 4, 12, 8 plus 4 is 12, so that 2 is there. 4 and 9 is 13. 4 and 10 is 14. So we can see some patterns. 30 minus 24 equals 6, because 6 plus 4 is 10. Boom. 29 minus 24 equals 5. 28 minus 24 equals 4. 27 minus 24 equals 3. 26 minus 24 equals 2. And 25 minus 24 equals 1. All right, we're ready for multiplication. So again, today we're going to do the stacking to get you better at it. 24 times 1, of course, equals 24. 1 times any number is itself. Then we're going to drop down here to 24 times 2. So stack them up if you haven't done them already. We can do them together. 2 times 4 is 8. 2 times 2 is 4. So 2 24s is 48. 24 times 3. 3 times 4 is 12. Drop the 2, carry the 1. 3 times 2 is 6 plus 1 is 7. So 3 24s is 72. 24 times 4. 4 times 4 is 16. Drop the 6, carry the 1. 4 times 2 is 8 plus 1 is 9. So 4 24s is 96. 24 times 5. 5 times 4 is 20. Drop the 0, carry the 2. 5 times 2 is 10 plus 2 is 12. So 5 24s would be 120. 24 times 6. 6 times 4 is 24. Drop the 4, carry the 2. 6 times 2 is 12 plus 2 more is 14. So 6 24s is 144. Let's do 24 times 7. 7 times 4 is 28. Drop the 8, carry the 2. 7 times 2 is 14, plus 2 is 16. So 7 24s would be 168. 24 times 8. 8 times 4 is 32. Drop the 2, carry the 3. 8 times 2 is 16, plus 3 is 19. So 8 24s is 192. 9 times 24, 9 24s. 9 times 4 is 36. We drop the 6, carry the 3. 9 times 2 is 18, plus 3 is 21. 216, and we can check our work because this is the 9. 2 plus 1 is 3, plus 6 is 9, so that's correct. And then the last but not least, 24 times 10, any number times 10 is that number with a 0 in the ones place, 240. All right, that was good practice. Let's move on. And it's okay if you just do this with me, writing it down. But if you know how to do it, go for it. Moving on to our measurement. We start off with our linear measurement in standard form, which is inches, feet, and yards. And we're breaking it down with fractions. So we have 24 inches. We know it takes 12 inches to make a foot. So we're going to put that 24 over 12 to break it down in fraction form. So we have 12 over 12 plus, when we take 12 away from 24, we get 12 over 12 because 12 plus 12 equals 24. So we are done. So let's look at this. We have 1, 2 whole feet. So 24 inches equals 2 whole feet. We're going to put this in yard form. So we have 24 over 36. It is not an improper fraction, so we're done there. Later on, you're going to go into equivalent fractions, but we're not going to do that right now in 3rd grade. We'll work on that maybe in 4th and 5th. All right, so we have 24 36ths of a yard is the same as 2 feet, which is the same as 24 inches. Boom. That happens quickly. All right, hopefully you're getting used to that and you're breaking it down. Pat yourself on the back if you got that one right. And let's move on to centimeters, decimeters, and meters, which is the metric form of linear measurement. Again, today we have 24, always using our daily number, 24, and we know it takes 10, so we're going to put 24 over 10, and we're going to break that apart. So we're going to break it into 10 tens. Still leaves us with 14, so we can do another 10. And then we do a 4, because 10 plus 10 plus 4 equals 24. And according to this, we have 1 2 whole decimeters. So we write 2 as big as a fraction with 4/10 decimeter. So we have 2 and 4/10 decimeters, which is the same as 24 centimeters. And we write that out for meters. It takes 100 centimeters to make a meter. And we only have 24 out of the 100. So this is 24 hundredths of a meter. So we have all of our conversions and we're done. Thank you for joining me. Have a great day.